I just had such an exulting walk back from the chiropractic office downtown over to my place. There's blue skies, it's pre-spring, there's all these little buds on the trees that are just so excited to bloom. And I wanted to show you my lunch really quickly because I'm editing a million things and I just wanted to put it up because I'm having a delicious lunch too. I've been making a lot of soups lately. This one has English cucumber, zucchini, squash, avocado, cilantro, rice. I don't remember if it has anything else, but I just blend things up and make my own soup so that way I'm not getting all the sugars and salts and what have yous from regular cans, and it's not in the aluminum. I'll add salt to the top as I go so that way I can taste it better and there's not just a high sodium content hidden and dissolved in it. Sometimes I adhere to, but I don't usually have a lot of patience for recipes if I'm not cooking for someone else, so I just make whatever sounds good to me at the time. I just use my awesome blender and throw in a bunch of vegetables and a bit of water and then cook it up. It really is so easy to make an organic, healthy meal and get all your greens in. This is my total favorite coconut water that's maybe pronounced Zyco. It's been my favorite for years, and it's antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic. Leading researchers would disagree or debate about it because they don't really study this kind of thing. They're busy with chemicals, but it will certainly be very helpful for any digestion issues that you're having, or if you just want a delicious, tropical, refreshing drink, especially going into the warmer season. It's just so fun. It has potassium, magnesium, calcium, some sodium, and it's only coconut water in the ingredients. This is fantastic if you really want to work up a sweat or if you, again, just want something that tastes really good. I really hate when ingredients say, less than 1% sugar added or, vitamin C to have it last longer. This is a perfectly great whole food kind of drink. And why would you add that extra sugar for everyone that's like addicted to sugar to just get a little bit more of it? I come across non-GMO drinks and it's like they'll have everything perfect about them and they'll just be like, here's some sugar. And it's just like, why did you do that? um, Shake well. I really like this piece on the back where it says, guess what's in this package? If you said, coconut water, you nailed it. With a crisp taste and naturally occurring electrolytes, there isn't room for anything else. Did we mention no added sugar or artificial flavors? So drink up, your body will thank you. We hand harvest delicious coconuts from Thailand and sometimes other parts of Asia, then package in Thailand for optimum refreshing taste. It says live outside of your shell, and I really like to promote that. Anything that you can think of for benefits for coconut oil, this isn't far off, and I just really encourage you to grab this. Like with a magnesium drink, it can be very soothing if you have any kind of heartburn or any digestive issues like that, and you can work your way up to the amount that you use because it can have a stronger effect if you're not used to it. I always appreciate a very clean supplement, but try to get all of my nutrients from a whole foods, plant-based, organic source. Oh, what a tropical house I live in. Now I'm gonna go do some bomb physical therapy I was given from like one of the best chiropractors ever, who agreed with me that this lady was taken a picture of at a perfect moment so I would print off like a horror movie face where like, like a pale little kid with like a dark abyss for a mouth is just like screaming suddenly in a movie or something. I just thought that was really cute. Do your kitty cat poses like in yoga and your physical therapy if need be, and enjoy a gorgeous season about to start with the best health possible. Cooking with a glass pan looks really pretty. They clean perfectly. It doesn't leach anything weird into your food, and it can be stirred up, whatever you put in there, with a bamboo utensil, which is biodegradable, sustainable, and this is just a really healthy way to cook your food. I know I looked for a long time for like the best, healthiest cookware to use, and this has been a really elegant solution for me. I really don't like the sound of metal scraping against metal, and I mean, we're definitely just making this leach more, right? The more we scratch at it, so keep these things in mind if you so please. If I'm not cooking for somebody else, I'm just slicing, dicing, blending, heating up, stuff that just takes me even just a few minutes to make, and it's very natural and healthy. Subscribe for more healthy and alternative content. I was just messing around and wanted to say hi. I'm just so excited for spring this season.